Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for supermarket business. So here let's assume that I have a supermarket store and to promote the same I'm using Facebook lead ads. So my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. Here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for supermarket business. So here let's assume that I have a supermarket and to promote the same I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. Now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So to automate this entire process, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. This here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I'm going to name it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. As I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for supermarket business. So here moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my supermarket with the help of Facebook lead ads. So here in this trigger window, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application, and here it is. Now moving to the trigger event, that will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving further, going to this action window, as I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. So here I'm going to use Google Sheets as my action application. Here it is. And now the action event will be add new row. So here, as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event, so my objective is that whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead details should be added in my Google Sheet. So to do this, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So here in one of the tabs, I've logged into my Facebook account. So here I'm going to click on connect. And you can see that the authorization is successful. So Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads is successfully connected. Now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I have created for my supermarket and the lead gen form that is associated with my Facebook page. So this here is my page that I have created for my supermarket. The name is Best Way Supermarket. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select my page as Best Way Supermarket. Here it is. And after selecting the page, I will select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ads form, and I want to use this Best Way Supermarket leads ad form. So this is how the form looks like, and the name of the form is Best Way Supermarket Leads. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form as Best Way Supermarket Leads. After selecting my page and the lead gen form that is associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded over here in this webhook response. So now to do this, here in this new tab, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. Now I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And under My Apps, I will go to Tools. And here under Developer Tools, I'm going to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads Testing tool. And this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here from this page drop down, I'm going to select my page as Best Way Supermart. So I'm searching for my page. Here is my page. And after selecting the page, I'm going to select the form from the drop down, that is Best Way Supermart Leads. And now I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this here is the form and I filled in the details like full name, phone number and the email. So now I'm going to click on Next and I'm going to click on Submit. It says thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead that I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, here I've received a response. So here you can see the full name, phone number, email, created date and time, along with some other details. That means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I've got the test lead details over here, so now I want to add this lead details in my Google Sheet. So now I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to sign in with Google. And here you can see that the authorization is successful. So Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So this here is the Google Sheet that I've created. The name of this Google Sheet is Facebook Lead New. And it only consists of one sheet and of 3 columns. One is for the lead email, second is for the lead name, and the third one is for phone number. So this here is the Google Sheet where I want to add the Facebook leads detail. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And over here you can see that select sheet as sheet 1. Now moving to these details like lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here I'm going to map these details from the response I've received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, here I'm going to map the email. Now I'm going to map the lead name from the response received along with the phone number. So here I've mapped the phone number as well. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm simply going to click on Save and Send Test Request to see the response. Here I've received a response and this is a positive response. Now I will take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the details of the test lead which I've created is successfully added over here in a new row in this Google Sheet. Here's the lead email, lead name along with the phone number. So that means the test lead details is successfully added over here in this Google Sheet. So this integration and automation was a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.